Howdy, y'all. We're gonna build a computer. So we got a Montech Sky 2. We're gonna be running a MSI Mag 679 Tomahawk Wi-Fi, Intel processor, Windows 11. Sorry for the glare there. We got 32 gigabytes of DDR5. Our hard drive is a Samsung 4 terabyte. Then we got a Corsair 750 watt power supply, an MSI Gaming Trio GeForce with NVIDIA 5070 Ti chips on it, and we're going to be water cooling it. So we're going to unpack this stuff and get it out. Alright, so we didn't get to video everything. It kind of got busy around here. We got a computer putting together party. We got company here that's wanted to watch so they could learn how to do it. But we got the motherboard mounted down in there. We got the graphics card mounted there. That fan's mounted. The power supply is mounted. The cooling system, which is this big fan here with these hoses, and it runs up to here. These 3 big fans and the radiator. There was clearance issues, so it's not fitting in there correctly, but it's mounted in there. As long as it doesn't rattle, it'll be fine. Once the covers go on it, you won't be able to see it anyway. So I think there's a screen cover that goes on top of it. We're basically in the wiring mode now. We got wires everywhere. I mean, I still got wires over here, but I don't think we're going to use all of those. It's just parts of them. There's a couple covers. There's a couple covers over there. There's a couple covers over there. But everything else is installed pretty much. So let's get this thing finished wiring up, and then we'll see if we can fire it up. All right, let's hit the power button, see what happens. Well, we got lights. We may have to plug in to the motherboard on the CPU though. Okay. Oh, there's restarting for something. All right, let's move the cable to the motherboard on this screen. See if we get anything. Should at least get a BIOS. There it goes. All right. We got a BIOS set up and stuff, so evidently we got everything hooked up right. So now we will have to go in, fix all of our cables, and put all the panels on. What you think, bud? Cool? All right. Okay, she's done. We got everything in it. Water cooler's working. Graphic card's working. Let's see, go back up here. There's lights on the fans on the water cooler. Got your accessories up there. That's it. Okay, we got Opera installed here. Let's do a speed test. It's pretty good there. 927. Will the upload beat the download? Oh, it did. Sweet. Looks pretty good. All right. Ready to go to his room. Let him finish setting up what he wants to set up. Thanks for watching.